Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today I'm going to be replying to a common question asked on the channel. This is going to be on, are the parts bought on Amazon or eBay good parts or cheap parts? What are they? And reason being is because in my videos, most of the links in the descriptions to buy parts are on or for Amazon and eBay. That has been my longest affiliate programs I have. So those links help me make a couple extra bucks. So it always helps when you guys use those links below. But are those good parts on eBay and Amazon? Sometimes they are, sometimes they're not. And that all depends on what you buy and what research you do before you buy the parts on eBay or Amazon. Also, if you need like step-by-step directions to get something done rather than looking all around online, you could get Mitchell 1 On Demand 5 subscription, and it'll give you step-by-step directions on how to get stuff done. So you might want to check that out too. Saves you a lot of time rather than searching all over online and possibly not even finding what you need. And I come to a lot of people that are mad at me because I don't have what they need. So hopefully you can find it on there if I don't have what you need. So back to the parts. Are the parts that I recommend in my links in my videos for cheap parts, good parts, what are they? Well, what I like to do is go on my local parts website and I'll find the part or tool I need to get. I'll get the part number and then I'll go over to eBay and Amazon and see how much it is. So on this, what vehicle is this? This is the '07 Lexus ES350. So this is my Lexus. This is for the coil. They don't have a good brand name one that I could find, like a Bosch or something like that. But I did find that they have a import direct part in stock for about 93 bucks. If I wanted to get this thing done right now, of course I would run down there and pick this up. I have nothing against O'Reilly's, but if you're trying to save money and you have some time, check out Amazon or eBay. Look at the links in the description of my videos. And so this is for the coil import direct 230525, and this is 230525 import direct. So back over here, comes up with a bunch of extra stuff. So you got to sift through it all. Make sure your vehicle is in here properly. So here's some coils right here. It's a set of 4. I'm not sure if it fits or not, but here is a Bosch. I really like Bosch, and it's only 55 bucks. Let's click on it. Let's see if my doesn't fit. Let's put my '07 Lexus in here. Let's see if it comes up. '07 Lexus. And it's going to be an ES350. Check fit. And let's see. I don't even know where it says if it fits or not. Oh, right here on top. This fits your vehicle. So in this case, a Bosch coil, which is a really good coil. And if you have Prime, you could get it, what is that, Wednesday the 11th. So 2 days from now, you would have it. So if you have a couple days on this, and you could save a few bucks. And also, if you sign up for Prime, you get like the 30 days free. You could get this thing pretty quick. So I should have a link in the description for that as well. Let's check out another part. This is going to be the oxygen sensor for my '07 Lexus. And let's see what we got. This is upstream left. But what I'm going to do is see, this is a Bosch direct fit because you don't want to get a universal fit oxygen sensor ever. This is a Bosch direct fit with a part number of 15093. I already searched it up right here. Here's a Bosch 15093 oxygen sensor. I have this F-150. We'll put my '07 Lexus in here again. And new vehicle, '07. You always want to make sure that you have your right vehicle in here to make sure you get the right parts. So that is huge on this. All right, here it is again. It fits. This oxygen sensor, this is a Bosch oxygen sensor. I love Bosch. $47 compared to over here at my local parts store for $163. So again, I don't have anything against O'Reilly's or my local parts dealers, but if you have a couple days, whatever, extra time, you might want to check out Amazon or eBay. And essentially, you are cutting their prices, but everybody gets a better deal. It's the give and take. I don't really like how much the internet is taking over, but we all need to save a couple bucks. And if you use better parts, spend a couple extra bucks, you can find the cheaper parts on there on eBay or Amazon, but I prefer better parts. But hopefully this answers your question of, are the parts good on eBay or Amazon? Make sure you find the good parts. Make sure you know what you're buying before you purchase anything, and you can find good parts on both. Make sure you look for links in the description of either the video or the podcast. I should have some pretty helpful ones on there for you. If you can, tell everybody about me. If you know anybody working on their own vehicle, your neighbor, friend, family, anybody, Scotty's Hobbies, let them know about me. I might have something that could help them out. Thanks for watching and listening. Like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video and podcast.